Hello, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. By the way, it's already 4 a.m. and I'm still here alive and kicking, preparing all these artwork. My students' collage artwork. They're done with their first day, and tomorrow we are going to do the second day, completing all these paintings and coming up with one artwork like this. We call it Serenity because, as you can see, it's very serene, like peaceful. There is a, what do you call this, a lighthouse view, the pond, and the peacock under the moonlight. So, yeah. What I would like to tell you today is about why am I doing this. I should be sleeping at this time, and still, I'm still awake, doing all of this. You know why? Because this is my passion. This is what I like to do. Um, Hindi talaga ako inaantok. I feel like energized every time I'm working here in my studio. And it's really all about passion. So this is something I want to tell my students or the viewers. If you want to do painting as a hobby or maybe a profession in the future. So if art is really your passion, so bakit kayo ini-enroll ng yung parents here? Maybe they see something in you, like nakikita nila na mahilig ka sa art and you can be somebody in the future. So try to consider. So if you really think you are an artist, then what are the things that you should do or you should have to achieve it? Number one, you need to believe in yourself. So when I started, yun nga, hindi naman ako nag-aral ng painting sa mga university or sa school. I started painting and a lot of criticism I got, and but you know, I considered it as positive criticism. I take all of the negative things and try to improve my work. So ganun lang. If you believe in yourself, nobody can like put you down. And there are a lot of times it happened to me, and I was able to overcome it because of, again, going up to the main thing, that this is something that I like to do. So another thing is, as early as now, try to imagine like what will be the end result, what will be your end goal in doing this thing, like this art. So naisip mo ba na you are going to have an exhibit soon? So things like that. And this will keep you like going. The energy keeps on going because you believe that at the end of the rainbow is a pot of gold. So parang ganun. So in my case, ganun din. Inisip ko na kagad, I'm going to have an exhibit. I'm going to, in the future, my own gallery, and people are coming to my gallery and they will love my paintings. And some of them happened already. Like after a year of painting, I was able to have my own exhibit in the Philippines, and it's called like 100 paintings. And you will not believe it, but all those 100 paintings were sold. So it's really a sold out exhibition, and I'm so happy. It's not that expensive artwork, but these people who bought my art are some of them, and most of them are my friends that really cares about me. Like, go, 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 Freddy, you can do it. And also, you really need to go for it. You need to start now. Like, oh, I'm going to buy materials for artwork. When are you going to do it? Should be now. You need to do it now. So many times I'm having a hard time buying all the materials that I need to buy because of sometimes lack of money or things like that. But I save money to make sure little by little I will be able to save and buy those things that I will be using, so that I will be able to do whatever I want to do. So, ganun lang. And also, you should never give up. You should never give up. Uh, out of some of the beautiful paintings that I have, some of them are really, I really scratch them and throw it out. Sometimes hindi siya talaga nabubuo, and do not get frustrated. You really need to make sure that you will be able to, there's going to be another day. Not every day is a good day. Something like that. And last but not the least, I would say give your all. Um, Everything. Like me, I'm working um, 8 hours a day, 5 days a week on my regular job. And I was able to manage to do workshops or commission paintings and things like that. You need to really give your best, not only of your time but of your work. Try to do beautiful works, and you will never go wrong. So, to all of you, especially to my students who usually attend the workshop, I hope you hear this video. I would like to apologize. I'm not a perfect storyteller, and but you know, I'm overcoming these things by doing this video. So I hope you like it. You subscribe to my channel, and come on, you can start doing anything to do with art by attending the workshop with me. I have it every Saturday and Sunday here in Winnipeg. So good luck.